Hi, I'm Max Lebowski, co-founder and CEO of Formlabs. For the last 13 years, we've set out to make the tools that make it possible for anyone to bring their ideas to life. But over the years, we've realized that not every idea deserves a place in this world. Today, we're expanding our mission. We want to build the tools that make it possible for anyone to take their bad ideas out of this world. That's why I'm excited to introduce the DeForm 1. The DeForm 1 isn't here to build your ideas, it's here to unbuild them. You can quickly load up the debuild chamber with your parts. Let's see, what kind of bad ideas do I have here? 3D printed chess pieces, nobody needs any more of those. Gyro cube. What's this? House for ants? Crab. Unblendable 3D printed part. Some more trash. Whenever you feel that you've brought too much stuff into this world, now, with the push of a button, you can just as easily take it out. Equipped with state-of-the-art carbide shredding blades and quick destroy technology, DeForm 1 is designed to handle even the toughest of tough materials like polymers, metals, separator lunch, general waste, and all your iterative rapid prototyping experiments and manufacturing products. And that's not all. Thanks to our patented unprinting process and free post-form software available on macOS and Windows XP, you can now deconstruct your 3D prints layer by layer, dimension by dimension, until there's nothing left. On top of that, the automatic disposal feature is able to self-empty the debuild chamber as fast as it can destroy the parts. For when you want to forget your bad ideas, try the Formlabs DeForm 1. Holy the unblendable one is not blended. It actually worked. It's totally just sitting there solid and the rest is completely shredded.
Oh man, wait, we gotta redo
that was like running for like 10 or 20 seconds, right?
All right, we gotta redo the keynote.
This is the keynote. Definitely dinged up, but if we compare it to V1, I think it's in a lot better shape. It's seriously just like fully intact and everything else is powder. How did that happen? It's seriously unblendable. Like, look at this. I don't understand. Try the Formlabs DeForm 1.